How to change font on Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change font on Squarespace website while designing your website. So first of all, just open your Squarespace, and here on the home screen, you will get the option to choose template, or you can also customize your design from the scratch. I've already chosen a template, and this is how it is looking on my home screen. So in order to change and tweak the font written over the template of my site, so this is how it looks. As you can see that it has lots of options. As you scroll down, you will see there are different pages. You can take action, subscribe button, you can add so many things. So in order to change the font size, just go to the site styles, just click on it, and under the site style, just click on fonts. And now as you can see that there are so many options available: global text style, heading, paragraph, buttons, miscellaneous. So for example, that I want to change the font style with this particular text written over here called sustainability. Just click on it and it will bring you to this particular text and the settings that you want to tweak. So for example, I want to change the weight, style, family. So just click on family first. You can also go ahead and browse all the fonts available. Now you can also customize the size. Just click on this drop down. As you can see that the style is changing on the screen. You can change the line height. See, you can see. You can also change the letter spacing. See, the letter is getting more and more spaced out, and as I'm doing it here, it is getting closer. So yeah, so this is how you will be able to change your font on Squarespace while making your website. So that is how you will be able to change font on Squarespace. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.